All right, so the course management system that I've chosen to use for this assessment is Google Classroom. And you can see here that I'm logged into my Google Classroom and I've created an assignment here which has a link to the assessment that I've created. So the assessment would be used as a formative assessment. Its purpose is to check student understanding of factors, multiples, and prime numbers. I would use the assessment to determine next steps for instruction within a larger unit. So, for example, if the assessment shows that a large number of students are not able to find factor pairs for a given number, then I would go back and reteach this explicitly to the whole class. Um, this assessment was designed for fourth grade students based on the Common Core standards, which you can see here. This is the specific standard that it goes with, which has students identifying factors, multiples, and prime and composite numbers. If I go back to Google Classroom, I can click on the link here, which would take me to the assessment. And you can see here that I'm asking students for factor pairs, multiples, and prime and composite numbers. This assessment matches with several of my Rubric 4.0 standards. First, it allows the teacher to provide timely feedback. So you can see here, this was just an example, but I've used Flubaroo, which is an add-on in Sheets, and it automatically grades the assessment, which would allow me to provide the students with quick, timely feedback. Second, it informs instruction, so the results would be used to plan for future instruction. And third, it includes a digital component, so students are using Google Classroom and Google Forms. And then finally, it's tied to learning goals, which I've already talked about. Google Classroom works well with this assessment because it's easy for fourth graders to use, first of all. And Google Classroom works well with Google Apps, and this assessment incorporates the use of several Google Apps. Also, students would be able to submit their the assignment when it's done, and that way I'll know that it's complete.